Skull Gun family, Urban Gun Reviews. Today we got the Springfield Echelon 4.0C. That's what I'm finna be shooting today. I got two mags, so it might be a long one with the magazines, but two 15 round mags with the 3-round base plate, the extra base plate. So we got two 18 round mags. We got the FDE. I'm gonna be doing a review while I'm on the range, you know, so ain't gonna be you know, much that I need to do later on. But we outside at the outdoor range. We got the steel targets out here. This is chambered in 9mm. Striker fired. Ticket on it was like $6.59 with tax. It came to like $7.19, something like that. Oh Lord! Comes in black too. This is the baby brother to the Echelon, the regular Echelon. It's like a 4.5 inch. So this is a 4-inch. C stands for compact or carry, whatever you want to call it. We got front and rear serrations, cocking serrations. Got these little grip handles that you can pull to cock your firearm too. We got tritium night sights on here. We got thumb rests, finger rests, all type of grooves, nice texture on here. But we about to bust this thing off, see what it's about, see what it's hitting for. So let's try it out. All right, so we're going hot. Let's see if I can hit some ring. Good. First mag down, all good. We're cleared. It's the first, 36 rounds, shot flawlessly. Nice, ran good, hit them targets. Looking good, I'm liking it so far. Man. What happened? Why did that jam? That compensator I put on there, sometimes you might have to run it. Think about it. Just think about it. Why you? Ain't shoot both mags? Huh? We're doing a little competition, you know, gotta get competitive. So we got 5 bowling pins up there. You got 5 shots. to hit all 5. That's it. See who got the best act.
Warm up. Warm up.
That's fine. That's fine.
No, this ain't warm. It's a warm up round. Let's say that.
I don't even think you hit that one. I think the dirt knocked it over.
Yeah, all right. Want me to go pick it up?
Yeah, please.
Huh?
Yeah. That was 5, right?
That was like 8. That was like 10.
Get out of here.
Check the mag. Rack the thing back. And the wind, the craze of the bullet knocked like 2 of them down.
Well, that's cap.
Huh?
That's cap.
Swear down. Yeah. So bad. What's in there?
5. Oh, actually, 6. How many you load in here? Did you load the full mag?
Yeah.
It's like an 18 round mag.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I
if there's
shot
6, you shot 5, then there's 2,
Yeah,
4,
like
6, that's
7.
11. So I shot 6.
7.
Man, I shot 6. Man,
Yeah.
you ain't loaded all the way like you said you did, bro. Should only put 15 in there.
Last one got
I ain't gonna lie, if I had 20 shots too, I would've.
You shot 6.
Nah, G.
Yeah, you had 6 bullets.
Nah.
Yeah, and you missed 5. The wind knocked the
the
other
wind
one
knocked
down.
I smacked that.
The wind knocked the other
I
one
smacked
down.
that one.
You smacked the second
I
one, but the
smacked
third
that
one
one.
fell.
It's cool. We know what the truth is.
Yeah.
He's in here. It says 15, right?
It's got a +3 base plate, so it's 18.
All right, 18. Split 3 ways is what, 6?
Huh?
6? 6 shots.
6 shots. All right.
All right. No cheating this time.
Cheating.
You straight. You shot like half the mag and it was like, that was 5, right?
That's lies, man.
Yeah, all right. How old is that, 5?
That's 5. You got one more.
Dang.
We ain't gotta go pick those up.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't know where mine were going.
I be worried about where they posed to.
Whatever.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Use a little left on the, like you was shooting left for the second one.
Yeah.
Like it was hitting all to the left. I'm at the same spot left too.
No.
Yeah, right?
It felt like more than 6, though, didn't it?
I thought
The math was split by 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on. We
It's
got
an
the
18
video
round
evidence.
mag.
We got the video.
1, 2, 3. How in the world did I shoot? You do better than them, they start hating on you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, he had 7 shots.
Huh?
Yeah,
I only
7
shoot.
shots.
How?
I don't know.
That's not my fault.
Check my
That's your
film.
fault.
Check my film real quick.
That last shot was wasting on nothing anyway. In my first 6, I hit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 12 and he got 7. I don't know how that fucker got 19 in there. He loaded up an extra one in there.
Probably did. That's probably why mine was off, you know.
Yeah.
Because the first one had to get out.
Arguing with y'all about aim, even though I know I got it.
We'll give you that one. You won that one. We'll give it to
It's
you.
like arguing with YouTube comments.
We'll give it to you.
Huh?
You got that one.
You still making excuses. The extra shot has nothing to do with the first 6 that hit.
How'd you hit the first 6? You only knocked down 2 pins.
That don't mean I ain't hit it.
Damn, cuz I didn't even have my ears on.
Yeah, I didn't have my noise canceling.
Dang.
That's your fault. You been taking your ears on and off.
Yeah, I ain't gotta keep them on.
Huh?
You supposed to say range is hot or something.
Ready?
It's been hot.
Good.
No, it ain't. When we loading up, it ain't hot.
What?
When I was up there shooting, I said, hey, y'all got y'all ears on?
No,
Common courtesy. Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
You try to blow nigga eardrums.
That won't even say nothing when he went up.
Yeah. I turned around and I was like, yo, y'all good?
No, you didn't.
Definitely
Yeah,
said
you
that.
did.
Definitely said that.
Bro.
You try to kill
I
niggas.
don't want something to spit on.
Ears on.
Right.
Ooh, I'm very aware.
Man. All right, so we wrapping up, gun family. Shot the Springfield Echelon 4.0C. Shot that thing, ran flawlessly, had no problems with it. Put probably about 200 rounds, maybe something like that. I got to calculate it when I get home, but solid pistol. Like the ergonomics, like the way it shoot. Sights is good, grip is good, trigger's good, serrations, easy to rack this thing. Solid pistol, so I really like it. I'm gonna probably go home, hit the desk up, and you know, talk to y'all a little bit more about everything. But
Yeah, no you're not. No you're not. Stop.
all in all, solid pistol, Springfield Echelon 4.0C. Rock with it.